Hi friends, today in this video, I'm going to make a powerful Bluetooth speakers, with bass boosted, clear and high quality sound. I first prepared the simple circuit diagram for this circuit. Then I converted the schematics into the PCB. For easy assembly I ordered PCBs from JLC PCB. Get 1 to 8 layer PCBs for just $2. Efficient large scale production reduces costs, and bringing you PCBs in unbeatable prices. And then I prepared the PCB for its components. So, let's place all the components into the PCB according to the circuit diagram. After completing the soldering process, I cleaned the PCB with isopropyl. And our PCB looks nice and clean. Now take two pieces of TDA2050 IC, and secure these at its place. Solder all the pins of IC. Use thermal paste for better heat dissipation. Use double-sided foam tape for insulation. Also you need a good size of aluminum heatsink. And secure the PCB on this heatsink. Now use this Bluetooth module, buying link is in video description. Solder this module with the audio input pins. Also pre-solder these pads for speakers. I used these 4-inch 4 ohms car speakers. Solder both speaker wire at its place. You also need this bridge rectifier power filter. You can download both diagram and PCB, link is in video description. Also you need a 3 amperes 12012 transformer. Connect the transformer wires with filter circuit. Use screwdriver to tighten the screws. Now connect the filter output pins with this PCB. Before we test our circuit, let me tell you that you can also order the same PCB for this project without messing up on pref board. Just go to the video description, and with this link sign up on JLC PCB website. JLC PCB provides easy, affordable, and reliable PCB and PCBA solutions, empowering electronic engineers to develop projects efficiently. Just upload your Gabber file here. To get instant quote and order in minutes, it is easy as online shopping. After uploading, you can see the preview of the PCB. You can also change quantity and color of the PCB as per your requirements. Quality and lead time is reliable, all in-house production, ensuring stability and strict quality control in every process, and lightning fast PCB production, in just 24 hours. And then you can save to the cart for the checkout process. Also, don't miss JLC PCB's 6-layer PCB special. Get $30 off with a coupon, and enjoy top quality 6-layer PCBs, plus 2 UENIG finish, and no engineering fees for wire-in pads. Now back to the testing. Connect the transformer with AC outlet. Connect Bluetooth device with this Bluetooth speakers.
Connected.
As you can see, it works perfectly with clear sound. You can make cardboard wooden enclosure for more high quality sound and thumbing bass. For more useful videos, subscribe this channel. Also check out these recommended videos. Thanks for watching.